Hi, I'm Carol. Welcome to Kanuka Home Practice. Today we're going to be doing a tapping practice to balance our liver, chi or meridian line, energy line, and our sacral chakra. So come with me. Hi, welcome. So to start our practice, we're going to come to a comfortable seat. You can sit in Sukhasana, which is easy cross-leg position. To start, we will then be extending our legs a little bit in this practice. So bear in mind you might need a bit more space in front of you. So we're going to be doing tapping for the sacral chakra and the liver meridian line. So briefly, I'll talk about the energetic and emotional qualities of the liver meridian line and its connection to the sacral chakra. So the liver meridian line is an energy line that runs through our body, and it directly affects our liver and our gallbladder. And our sacral chakra is an energetic wheel that sits behind our navel, and they intersect. So the liver chi is responsible for creating an easygoing disposition. Like the sacral chakra, it is connected to flexibility, the ability to change and adapt, and your creativity and self-expression and self-confidence. Emotionally, an imbalanced liver chi or energy shows up in uneven, irregular emotions. It can come up as chronic anger. It can come up as being quite defensive over personal boundaries, maybe awkward social behavior such as social anxiety, or just general lack of self-confidence in general. So let's continue with our tapping to bring our liver meridian and sacral chakra into balance. So we'll begin our practice with a very short alternate nostril breath, which will then lead us into our tapping. So we take our two peace fingers, place them in between our eyebrows. We bring our thumb out to the side and gently press it, or not press it, rest it on your right nostril, and then bring your ring finger and rest it on your left. We're going to inhale for 5 counts through both nostrils to begin, and then exhale through both nostrils, aiming for 5 counts on the inhale and the exhale. Closing the left nostril, we're going to inhale through the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause at the top, close the right, exhale through the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause at the top, close the left, exhale through the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause at the top, close the right, exhale through the left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then releasing both nostrils, inhale through both. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale through both. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And starting our tapping, we're going to keep our two fingers, point between our eyebrows, and gently start to tap just as I'm doing. Gently start to tap. Find that gentle pressure, not too hard, stimulating the energy lines in our face, and then moving underneath the right eye. Start tapping just on the top of the cheekbone there. This is the start of the liver meridian line. It's connected to our eyes. So imbalances can also often show up in our eyes. It's linked to our eye health. If you've got blurry vision, maybe astigmatism or something like that, you need to pay attention to your liver. Other side, gently tapping. And making your way around your mouth. So over your top lip and then under, so circling the mouth. Going as fast or slow as you wish. Still tracing our liver meridian line, which is the energy line that runs through our body that we want to keep flowing. So this stimulates an even flow. Then starting to make our way up our jaw, maybe our right jaw to start, and then our left. And coming over to the right side of your right eye, not necessarily on your temple, but more next to your eye. And then the other side. Then coming to the top of the head, tapping the top of the head, so the crown of the head. And this is the start of the gallbladder meridian line, which is linked to the liver, and they work as a pair to clean our blood, to rid our body of toxins, to break down our food. And then coming down the right-hand side of the body, we're going to start to tap just underneath the rib, where the rib ends. That is where the liver sits. So tapping there. Hello, liver. Happy liver. Then coming round to the navel or belly button, I'll just like maybe 3 fingers down, start to tap there. This is where our sacral chakra sits. And our liver meridian line runs through it. So this is the point where they intersect. Tapping there. And now this is when we're going to come to extend our legs. So bring your legs into a diamond shape, soles of the feet together. We're going to start with the start of the liver meridian line, which is the top of the big toe. Starting on the right-hand side, just gently tapping the top of the big toe. And then making your way over the inside arch of the foot to the inside of the ankle, tapping on that bone, that little bone on the inside of your ankle. And then making your way up the inside of the calf to the inside of the knee. And then up the inner thigh, sort of tracing the line of your quad. And then making your way back to the sacral chakra underneath the navel. Taking deep breaths, so if you notice your breath is quite shallow, bring some depth back into it, maybe breathing down into your sacral chakra, the area you're tapping on right now. And then if you want to change hands, you're welcome to. So left hand onto the top of the left toe. Tap, tap, tapping, start of the liver meridian line. And then making your way over the arch of the foot to that bone on the inside of the ankle. Tapping there. And then up the inside of the calf to the inside of the knee. And tracing the line of the quad on the inside of the thigh. So that's just above the kidney meridian line. Our kidney one runs just underneath it. Back to the navel. If you want to swap hands back again, depending if you're right or left-handed, it may be more comfortable to come back to the right. That's okay. So carry on tapping under the navel. And we're going to extend our legs now to work with our gallbladder meridian line, which pairs with the liver. They work together. So straightening the legs, we're going to come to the 4th toe on the right-hand side, tapping the top of the 4th toe. This is a slight forward bend here. Keep your spine nice and straight. Toes flexing up to the ceiling. And then gently start to tap over the top of the foot, top of the thigh, outside of the knee. And then we're going to come to the hip, work our way up to the hip and zigzag across the hip, make big zigzags, like Zs, and then up across the torso, around the armpit, up towards the collarbone. So tapping underneath the collarbone, anywhere around there, that feels okay. Then we're going to tilt our neck slightly over to the left-hand side, tap up the right-hand side of the neck till we reach the jaw. Zigzag up the jaw and the cheek, to that point next to the eye again, up to the top, back to the start of the gallbladder meridian line, tapping the top of your head. Changing hands if you wish. Let's go back to the fourth toe. So left hand to fourth toe. With those two peace fingers, tapping the fourth toe, then over the foot, up the calf, outside of the knee, up the thigh, zigzag up the hip. So your gallbladder meridian line is connected to hip. So if you have any hip niggles, maybe that's something to look at too. And then tapping away under the collarbone. Tilt your neck over to the right hand side. Start to tap up the side of the neck till you reach the jaw. Zigzag up the cheek to that point next to the eye. You can straighten the head again if you like. And finishing off with tapping the top again. Maybe you want to come back to the face. If you'd like to just do this on your own in the bathroom in the morning or the evening, you can just do the face, tapping under the eye. Right eye, left eye, around the mouth, up the jaws, next to the eyes, both sides. And finishing, let's bring our palms to heart center and close our eyes. We're going to start to gently rub our palms together. Start slow, bring some energy into the palms, and then start to speed up. We're going to give ourselves some lovely warm energy to finish off. On an inhale, place your palms over your eyes. Exhale, palms back to heart center. Just observe the sensations between your palm, between the fingers. Thank you for tapping with me. Namaste.